Life gets busy, and I don't always have time to hand water every container plant. So I decided to build a DIY drip irrigation system. Instead of buying a complete kit from Amazon, I wanted to build one from scratch so I could learn what every part does and hopefully help you understand how these systems work too. Let's start with the design. Most drip irrigation systems use a 1/2 inch main line that branches off into lots of smaller 1-inch tubes. That works well, but it also means a lot of extra fittings and connectors, and I wanted something simpler. Instead, I used adjustable drippers that punch directly into the 1/2 inch tubing. That means fewer connectors, fewer potential leak points, and a much easier installation. All you have to do is run the tubing past each container and install a dripper exactly where you need it. I also chose these over pre-punched drip tubing because I wanted complete control over where each dripper sits. Every container is spaced a little differently, so instead of being stuck with the preset hole location, I can place each dripper exactly where I want it. Another bonus is that these drippers are adjustable, so I can fine-tune how much water each container receives. And if I ever make a mistake while punching a hole, I can simply seal it with a small piece of waterproof tape and install another dripper in the correct location. Now let's look at the parts you'll need. Starting at the faucet, the first component should be a backflow preventer. This is an important safety device that keeps water from flowing back into your home's plumbing. If you're ever using fertilizer through your irrigation system, this helps prevent contaminated water from entering your drinking water supply. I actually forgot this in my original short, and several of you pointed it out in the comments, so thanks for helping make these videos more accurate. Next comes the water timer. This automatically turns the system on and off so your plants stay watered even when you're busy or away from home. After that is the 25 psi pressure regulator. Garden faucets usually have much higher water pressure than drip irrigation is designed for. The regulators lower the pressure to a safe level so the tubing and drippers work properly without blowing apart or watering unevenly. Finally, you'll connect the hose thread adapter, which allows the 1/2 inch drip tubing to attach securely to the faucet assembly. At the opposite end of the tubing, you'll simply install a 1/2 inch end cap to keep the water flowing through the line instead of out the end. Run the 1/2 inch tubing alongside your row of containers. I like to position the tubing so it's close to each plant, then use galvanized stakes to hold it in place. Keeping the tubing secure prevents it from moving around as the system pressurizes. Once everything is positioned, use a drip punch tool to make holes wherever each dripper needs to go. This tool makes perfectly sized holes so the drippers fit snugly without leaking. It's much easier and more reliable than trying to use a drill bit or another sharp object. Then simply push each adjustable dripper into the holes you've made. Try placing each dripper about 1 to 2 inches away from the base of the plant. Watering close to the root zone is much more efficient than spraying the entire container, since that's where the roots can actually absorb the moisture. Once all the drippers are installed, set your watering schedule on the timer and turn the system on. Then walk down the line and adjust each dripper until every container is receiving the amount of water it needs. And that's it, a simple, inexpensive drip irrigation system that's easy to customize, easy to expand, and much easier to understand because you built it yourself. Once it's dialed in, your plants get constant watering with very little effort from you.